Welcome back to hopefully the last Project Plus video in the playlist. So we're going to go through the hardware and software list and throw one more little nugget at the end. So this is taken right from CompTIA's exam objectives, so I'll link to this down below. Let's go. So, equipment. Seems like we all need whiteboards. So sometimes these are physical, sometimes they're digital. TV and projectors, some way to project what you're doing so that people can see it in a meeting environment. Sometimes we're doing this also with software in like a Zoom conference. We're going to cover that in a sec. Hardware. People need a way to connect. This might be workstations, laptops, tablets, depending on what's required, and an internet connection. So software, Microsoft Project. So there's a lot of Microsoft here. This is all, once again, right from CompTIA's site here. So CompTIA really likes Microsoft. If you've watched my other videos, you know I don't, but that's okay. I have used Microsoft Project before. It's good. I've used Microsoft Word before. I prefer other things. I've used Microsoft Excel before. I used to prefer it for pivot tables. I now prefer other things. Microsoft PowerPoint, I prefer others. I prefer to avoid presentations when possible, which is sad since I'm doing that in this video. Microsoft Visio, this is a great way to modify and edit diagrams. I still use it on occasion. I also use other tools. So Microsoft SharePoint, Microsoft Teams. One of the main reasons that I mostly use others is because of cost. These all cost quite a bit, and there are alternatives that cost less or just cost your privacy. Anyway, Microsoft OneNote or similar platform, Jira. So we're getting out of the Microsoft realm and into others. So Jira is awesome. I've used it before. It is for large organizations, business analytics, Power BI, dashboarding. These are all different software that might be needed for project management, a change management system, and of course a cloud platform portal. So other things. So sample templates and artifacts of project management and documents are good so that people know what to expect. I have sample documents or templates. I have templates that I just use to fill in if I'm doing stuff over and over again. So, and case studies and other IT project management samples are good to have. So one more thing, and then we'll be done. I found some person's Google Doc that had a lot of information. In fact, I wonder if I can open this in a new tab. I haven't looked at it much, but it looked kind of cool. There's some books on Amazon. I'm not going to look for them. E-learning platforms, you certify, test out are all good things to consider. Sample tests. Before you take a test, if possible, it's good to take sample tests. They're not all created equal. Some of them are better than others. And when you're thinking about a sample test, I try and make sure I'm scoring above what's required, and I'm going to have to scroll up pretty far. So you come in here and so maximum 90 length of test. I don't see where the pass rate is. Oftentimes they tell you a pass rate, and I don't see it on this one. Let's see if Google knows. What score do I need to pass Project Plus? It says 710 out of 90. So this is coming from right here, 710 out of 900. So That's 75-ish%. So 710 divided by 900. 78%. So when you're doing your sample tests, make sure that you're scoring around 80%. And then, of course, large language models can help, which Google search is becoming one of those, right? I'll link to all this down below. And yeah, I hope that it enjoys. This person's Project Plus I just found, and it looks pretty in-depth, so we'll link to it. I haven't looked at it. I haven't looked at it in depth, but it looks like it's pretty in depth. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it helps you. Good luck. We'll see you in the next video.